This is Hydro Seafood, and today we are making red snapper, along with rice and beans, stewed cabbage. I might break this fish down live for y'all. First, peppers, red, yellow, orange. Ooh, that's sharp. I mean, it got my nail too. Next, white onion. Because I'm not going to use that whole onion. She also bought me this bin scraper. Look at that. Right into the pan. Next up, cabbage. Cut this baby into fours. Right down the middle. Every time. Just cut that corner right. Next up is the rice. 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water or broth. Bam! Next up, 2 cups of water. Am I measuring this right now? Or the last time?
Hey, you gotta rinse your rice. Okay, that's a 2 cup. Oh, that's 2 cups. Okay, yeah.
I know what I'm doing. Look at this. Add your 2 cups of water. Wait till it boils. Then add your rice. Season it. And your beans. You put some raw garlic in there too, just for aromatic. This is HSF Jamaican seasoning. Add that to your rice. Reduce your heat. Cover it up. Let it cook 15 minutes. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna attempt to butcher this. Oh, damn. I didn't even know that was open down there. Run your knife along the rib cage. Try not to butcher your fish. We got it done. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't no meat on that bone. Ain't no meat on that bone. Next, we're gonna season our beautiful fillets. I'm gonna take our HSF Jamaican season. Give a liberal sprinkle there. Then we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of Walker's Wood traditional Jamaican jerk seasoning. 2 tablespoons equals 1 ounce.
How big is that fish, though? You might not need 2 of those.
rub that in generously. Let that marinate while we get the cabbage ready. Alright, take your seasoned snapper. Let that cook, minute and a half, 2 minutes. Flip it. Yeah, me too, baby.
It ain't seasoned unless it's...
It ain't seasoned. Pull them babies out.